Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody emailed me. They're trying to make a six-sided star turn into a flower. And that can be very easily done for sure. We need to go to Object and convert it to a curve and then turn all of them into a curve. So I selected them all, right-click, turn them into a curve. But the bad thing is you have to do this individually for all of them. And now, if they don't have to be perfect flowers, this might be the way to do it, but I'm not going to do it that way. The way I'm going to do it is take a polygon set on 6 sides. Grab this one and bring it in, holding down the control button if you want it in the center. Now, so we've got a 6-sided star. But it's not a star, it's a polygon. I'm going to right click on this and turn it into a curve. And when you do that, you only get the curve between these two. So now I'm going to take this one and right click and turn it into a curve. And then I can take these handles and look what it's doing to all of them. I wish I could kind of reduplicate that first one I made. It was pretty cool. You can do it. You can do anything. You could add another node right there and bring this one in and look at them all. And then I would actually bring this maybe out, make them a little fatter, maybe bring that out a little bit more, maybe bring that up, And then if you didn't want them all to be exactly the same, then you can go to Object and convert that to a curve. And now it's not a polygon anymore. And you could delete some of the lines and add nodes and, completely change it up where, all the leaves aren't, or all the petals aren't exactly the same. Of course, I think uniform is the best. And the way I did this is I just took my Smart Fill tool, set on yellow, take away the outline by right-clicking your mouse. Well, a lot of times that doesn't work because you're trying to take an outline away from the Smart Fill tool that has no outline. And then just pick your interactive fill tool and swipe across, but pick right here to elliptical, put that in the center, go ahead and make that yellow, and then make the outside one an orange. Whoop. When you miss the box, you get that little graphic. I missed it again. You got to go till you see the plus sign. Well, that time it didn't. And then you could have anything you wanted. Anyway, I still like my first one better. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.